The Weather Service warning against damage and winds on Wednesday along the southern coastline. This includes the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal and also a few severe storms likely to bubble up over northwest and the Northern Cape and heavy rain for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. So let's see what's going on. We still have the same weather systems at play at the moment, a high pressure system south of the country and a tropical low pressure system moving in the Mozambican channel that's helping to transport lots of moist air to parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. In those regions, we are expecting a few heavy downpours overnight in the early hours of Wednesday morning over the Wild Coast, and then throughout Wednesday, the showers and thunderstorms expected to move along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, where we've got that warning in place for the possibility of localized flooding. Isolated showers likely here in the Eastern Cape as well as Mpumalanga, and then thunderstorms becoming scattered over parts of northwest. A few of those storms could also likely become severe due to high instability values. It's cloudy and you'll have a poor preview harvest in the Eastern Cape and large parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but sunny skies for the west where the wind will also pick up, so we've got a high fire danger in place. And then we've got that easterly breeze blowing strong here along the southern coastline on Wednesday, and also an onshore southerly wind due to that low pressure system in the Mozambican channel, bringing strong winds for the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Here in the west, it's quickly heating up the afternoon with 36 degrees in Clan-William, peaking at 30 degrees in the mother city. Windy weather for Hermanus as well as over the Overstrand, but firstly we are expecting some light rain for the coastal regions. Otherwise, windy weather for the garden route with maximum temperatures in the lower to mid 20s. Heating up in Beaufort West, but becoming windy and a high fire danger in place for the Karoo, and then this onshore flow bringing in a few heavy downpours overnight into the early hours of Wednesday morning, especially over the Wild Coast. So please be careful and do not cross a flooded bridge at 23 degrees in Port St. John's. And then early the morning, we're expecting stormy conditions to move here over the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, especially over Port St. John's, later Margate and reaching Durban. Those thunderstorms could result in a quick heavy downpour, so please be careful out there. And then the rainy weather spreading along the coast of the KwaZulu-Natal, where we've got that yellow level 2 warning in place for the possibility of localized flooding. A southerly breeze bringing in cloud and a few isolated light showers for parts of Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo. Into the afternoon, temperatures about 30 degrees and a few thunderstorms likely to bubble up near Lephalale. It's a dry Wednesday for the eastern regions of northwest, but a few isolated storms likely to move over the central regions and becoming scattered here over the west, where we've got that warning in place for the possibility of severe storms, which could result in large amounts of small hail or a quick heavy downpour. A mainly onshore flow for the Northern Cape on Wednesday, heating up over the central regions, the wind picking up. We've got a high fire danger in place with isolated storms moving over the region of Postmasburg as well as Kimberley, and then also prickling down over the northern regions of the Free State. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies with 31 degrees in Bloemfontein. Remaining dry and partly cloudy in Gauteng, warming up the afternoon with 28 degrees in Johannesburg as well as Pretoria. And then into Thursday, a few more light showers possible over KwaZulu-Natal, and then stormy conditions expected to develop over the central regions of South Africa, moving over the Eastern Cape and spreading a little bit more northeastwards on Friday over large parts of northwest the Free State as well as reaching Gauteng and the high veld of Mpumalanga. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.